Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. I've got a really great technique to share with you guys today, and this is called the kissing technique. Yes, you heard that right, kissing technique. So for this technique, you need to use a solid image, and I've just got a heart. You want to grab some ink. Now, when you do this technique, everything, you know, they're always going to look different. So you kind of just want to play around with it a little bit. And I'm inking up a stamp. I have some stamps that I have mounted. The Graceful Garden, I have this trellis one. I did the Best of Birds, I did the sky. And then the Dragonfly Dreams, I did these little dots. So you're going to take your heart, and I inked up my stamp, and I am just going to kiss the two stamps together. And what it's doing is it's picking up that image, you know, the detailed image. Now we can ink up our solid image, stamp it off again, then come back, and let's see how this looks. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. Now again, you got to just play around with this. You can also, I'll grab this one. But just a fun way to give your solid image a different look. I love this. I think it's fabulous. And again, it depends on what image you grab. You know, will determine, you know, what it's going to look like inside. Super cool. I like that. I think it's different. Really do. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to ink up my solid stamp. I'm going to stamp off a few times so I can get a nice lighter image. And ink this one up again. And just see what this is going to do. Nice. I like that. See how that one didn't really have much of a background, but this one you can actually see it's a heart. Very nice, you guys. So I hope you liked today's tip. It's really cool. And again, all the hearts are going to look different depending on what background you put in it. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.